Good morning friends, this is Veer from Saraswati classes, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, as you all know that exercise 5.3 is going on and we are discussing almost all the questions one by one simultaneously. Right now we are discussing question number 9, main question number 9, where you are given sum of first 7 terms of an arithmetic progression is 49, and similarly of 17th term, that is 289, and it is demanded to find out the value of n only, right friends? So you have given two things, so one by one we will calculate. So we start from S7 in the sense Sn, right? The formula is n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Here instead of Sn we will put S7 is equal to n की रिप्लेस में कितनी वैल्यू आ गई है 7/2 2a is missing plus n के रिप्लेस में 7 minus 1 and d is still missing. So S7 जो है उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है हमारे पास 49, राइट? अब क्या करेंगे आगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 को ऊपर ले जाओ, 49 into 2 और 7 को नीचे ले आओ. So 49 into 2 होता है 98 और 7 जो नीचे जाएगा नैनो में वो कट करेगा वैल्यू, तो विल बी 40. On the other hand, 2a plus 7 minus 1d, it will be 6d. The equation will be 2a plus 6d is equal to 40. This is our very first equation. And the second equation, that is as put first of all the formula n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. S17 बराबर 17 upon 2 2 a कितना, a is not given over here, तो 2a plus n के रिप्लेस में कितना आ जाएगा 17 minus 1 d तो स्टिल मिसिंग है हमारे पास. S17 की वैल्यू है हमारे पास that is 289 divided 1, here it is 17 upon 2 2a plus 17 minus 1, so 16d. Do a cross multiplication. So 289 into 2 and 17 which is in the opposite side should come as the denominator. So like this one, here will be 2a plus 16d. Now what is to be done? 17 17 ja 289, 17 2 ja 34. You got your equation number 2 simultaneously. So if you got first equation and second equation, so as we all have discussed that when you have two equation you can calculate sum by three methods: substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. But normally when we are in other chapters compared to chapter number 2nd or 3rd, we will always solve these equations by using elimination method. So you can see here it is 2a, here also it is 2a. So what is to be done now? Deduct equation 1 from equation 2. In equation 2 is 34 is equal to 2a plus 16. On over here 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d. That is 16d. Now changing the values, plus then minus, plus then minus, plus then minus. 2a 2a both equation have a similar value 2a, that directly will get it down. 16 minus 6 it will be 10d. Now over here 34 minus 14 is 20. So d is equal to 20 by 10. D is equal to 2. Now putting d is equal to 2 in equation 1. Your equation 1 is equal to 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d. So 14 is equal to 2a. A is not over there but 6d. D is there, that is 2. 2a plus 6 2s are 12. Transfer this one on the other hand. Minus 12 is equal to 2a. So 2a is equal to 14 minus 12. So 2. A is equal to 2 by 2. It will be 1. So you got a, but still they have demanded n नहीं मांगा हुआ. Let's check. Now in the question you have demanded find the sum of n term, means Sn is demanded. So what is the formula of Sn? The Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So So Sn is equal to, n is not given to you, but you got a, that is 1, plus n minus 1. You don't have n2, but d is there, that is 2. So n by 2, 2 ones are 2, plus 2 ones are 2, minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 got cancelled. Here it is n upon 2, and on the other side 2. This is in the multiplication form, so 2 cancelled. So n into n, it will be n square. Your Sn will be n square. This is all about what they have demanded from you. Okay friends, so this is the question that you are desired to solve by me. So I hope you understood this one. So solve this one and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.